Hey everybody, Kimmy Weintraub here from the Rosewood Baha Mar at the Centurion conference. I am here with CEO Michael Perron of MTL Cannabis. Mike, how are you doing today?
Wonderful. Thank you for having me on.
Of course. I mean, it's a beautiful day in Nassau.
Perfect time for an interview.
Absolutely. So for those who don't know about your company, can you give us an overview?
For sure. So we're MTL Cannabis Corp. We're based in Canada. We're a Canadian-based operator that competes in every market that a Canadian operator can compete in. So that starts with the Canadian recreational market, also the Canadian medical market, as well as the international export market. And we focus primarily in dried flower, pre-rolls, and hash products. You can find our products in most stores across Canada, in medical platforms, and in Germany and Australia right now.
Very exciting. And what would you say sets your company apart from others in the cannabis space?
We're a little bit different in the sense that we're very late to the game. We never got the opportunity to be participating in, let's call it the green rush of the early years of the industry in 2017, 2018, and we really had to bootstrap a company. And so for us, we've really built that discipline from day one of, just being fiduciaries, being responsible with capital, and also making sure that we're focused on a nice quality and consistent product for the marketplace, which has really allowed us to grow and build that trust within the industry. In an industry that, frankly, it really has evolved from a more of a promoter to now an operator mentality. And we're, frankly, with that history of discipline, we've been able to really showcase ourselves as top-end operators in this industry.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
Can you share a key milestone that you would like your investors and people watching at home to hear about?
I think the biggest milestone that I can speak to over the last few years it happened this summertime. So after we closed the takeover transaction 2 years ago, we've had 2 years great and really show market-leading results. Really culminated in us securing one of the first newly issued Schedule I bank debts in Canada, or actually in our industry, and the very first for this financial institution. So for us, that was a huge catalyst of just confirming trust in us as an operator. If we were able to get Schedule I banks to get behind us, shareholders will follow as well. And so for us, we just really want to constantly be that trusted operator, rooted in discipline, that is really able to build that trust in both not only the creditors and the shareholder communities.
Great. And for the changing landscape of constant innovation and technology changing, how has that affected your industry and your company as a whole?
For sure. And like I said, we're very nimble and a scrappy, disciplined company. So for us, we're always looking at different technologies to amplify our team, our resources, to make sure that one FTE can produce like 5 FTEs. And so for us, it comes down to everything from internal technologies to help us run our business better, faster, more efficiently, more accurately, or also on the product side as well. There's a lot of evolution with product development, everything from our packaging to the actual products themselves and derivative products that we're always looking to innovate and invest in and help bring that value to the customer who's looking for those new innovative products or packaging or what have you that we could support with.
That makes a lot of sense. Is there anything you'd like to tell the investors to get them excited about your company, maybe emerging trends or developments? For
sure. No, our industry is really going through, similar to the tech industry in 1995 versus 2000, where in 1995 there was a lot of excitement, interest in all these emerging new companies, and then you kind of went to the dark ages in 2000 after the bubble burst. And after that, after a little bit of time, a lot of really strong companies that we see are, some of the big caps and the mega caps today came out of that, let's call it long cold winter. And so right now in our industry, you're starting to see a lot of companies like ourselves emerge that are just fiduciaries with respect to running a nice disciplined business, consistent operations, consistent profitability, and generating cash flow, and frankly just being a company that shareholders could be proud of, especially in an industry that continues to grow not only domestically in Canada but internationally and constantly evolving. So for us, we're incredibly well positioned to grow with this industry, as it still is a very nascent industry. And as this industry evolves, whether it's international regulations changing, domestic regulations changing, allowed for a little bit more free flow of product, we're in great position to capitalize on that. So for us, it's going to be a really exciting next 5 to 10 years for us in this industry.
Sounds like it. What a great answer. And then looking to the future, what is the long-term goal of MTL Cannabis?
Honestly, for us, is we just want to be known as the best operated company in our space. And that really starts with a strong management team, a strong overall team, running a nice disciplined business that is able to grow and adapt to the changes of this market. So at the end of the day, to bring that value to not only the customer, but the shareholder as well. And so for us, our goal is always to be that trusted team that knows how to operate a business like a business. And that's something that's a little bit foreign to our industry at times. So for us, we just want to be that top management team more than anything.
It sounds like you're hitting the nail on the head there.
We're getting there.
Congratulations on all the success, and we can't wait to hear what your company does in the future.
No, thank you so much, and thank you for having me today. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.